And I'm sure you'll agree with me that we are in the gig economy. And I'm going to be sharing with you websites where you can start earning money from today. Now, the first one on my list is called Dreams Time. Dreams Time is an online stock photography website that allows users to earn money by selling their photos. Photographers can upload their images for sale on the site, and when a customer purchases an image, the photographer earns a commission. Now, the amount of commission varies depending on the size of the image and the number of times that it is purchased. Photographers can also join Dreamtime's exclusive photographers program, which gives them exclusive discounts and additional earning opportunities. The next website on my list is called TaskRabbit. And in case you're wondering, what is TaskRabbit? It's not a rabbit, don't worry. So guys, TaskRabbit is an online platform that connects you with local tasks that must be completed. It is a great way to earn money by taking on odd jobs. You can sign up as a tasker, a freelancer who completes clients' tasks. You can select a job from the list of the tasks that are available on the website, provide your services to the clients, and you'll be paid an hourly or flat fee depending on the task. Now, payment is made through the TaskRabbit platform and it can be deposited directly into your bank. Yes, your bank account. You can also make money through TaskRabbit just by referring new clients to the website. You get a referral fee if you refer someone who completes a task. Now, the website on my list is called Banana Box. Guys, it is not banana that you are eating. So guys, Banana Box is an online platform that allows users to earn money from various activities. The platform allows users to earn money by watching videos, by filling out surveys, by playing games, by completing offers, and so much more. And in addition to these tasks, users can also participate in the Banana Box affiliate program that allows them earn a commission just by referring their friends and family to the platform. Finally, users can earn money through the Banana Box store, which features exclusive deals and discounts. Another website on my list is called Meesho. Yes, I'm sure you've not heard of it before. Yes, so guys, Meesho is one of the websites to earn money online. They allow anyone to start a business and generate income. It is actually a digital platform that helps people to become entrepreneurs by connecting them with manufacturers and other customers. It offers various products from fashion and style to electronics and home decor. To make money through Meesho, you must first sign up as a reseller. You will then be given access to the Meesho platform where you can browse and select products to resell. Once you have chosen the products that you want to sell, you then need to promote it on social media, WhatsApp, or other channels to attract customers. You can also make money just by referring other resellers. When they make a purchase, you will earn a commission. Additionally, you can also earn money by running promotions and contests through Meesho. Guys, if you are still watching, I want to say a big thank you. Do not forget to introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you. Please click on the like button and do well to share this video with your friends. Yes, I really want to know you and I want to meet you. What's your name? Where are you watching from? And what do you do for a living? How did you find my video? So while you're introducing yourselves, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. But before I introduce myself, I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscriber. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I see you guys. I see the love. I see the shares. Thank you for all that you do. While you're introducing yourselves as my first timers, let me also introduce myself as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, it's all about how to make money from the comfort of your home. Being broke is something I never ever want to experience again because I've been broke before and I understand exactly how it feels to be at the mercy of anyone. I tell you, and making your own money is one of the greatest feelings in this world. The moment I was able to hack how to make money legitimately, when I say hack, I don't mean, I don't mean it in a bad way. When I was able to figure out a great way to make money, multiple streams of income, everything changed for me. So yes, if I can do it, you can do it too. Whether you're a student, you're a stay-at-home mom, or you stay-at-home dad, or you have a job that you're tired of, that you're always nagging on, or you have a very terrible boss, yes, or a terrible manager, I've got you. You can actually become your own boss today. Just start watching my videos. Yes, binge watch my videos from the beginning all the way till the end because I share practical tips and I also share with you things that I do personally to make money, all from the comfort of my home. Yes, I went from zero to making thousands of dollars from the comfort of my home. We have not hit our $1 million mark yet, but yes, we are getting there. By God's grace, very soon I will hit my very first $1 million by the special grace of Almighty God. So yes, just follow me on this journey. Just trust yourself, trust God, believe in yourself. And you know what? The sky is just the starting point. The next website on my list here is called eBay. Guys, you can earn money through eBay, and it's a great way to make some extra cash. eBay provides a great opportunity to buy and sell items online and make a profit. For you to start, you need to set up an eBay account, find products to sell, list them for sale, and then promote your listings to maximize your exposure. You can also make money through eBay by selling various items like used goods, vintage items, or even handmade items. Now, to maximize your profits, research the products that you are selling and price them accordingly. Additionally, take advantage of free shipping options and other promotional activities to increase sales. And with the right strategies, you can make a decent income from eBay. I tell you this for free. This has been tested and trusted. I'm going to share with you one of my experiences with, eBay. And it's funny, but it's something to actually learn from. And I hope that you pick the lesson from this story. I've been on eBay for quite a while. And guess what? I didn't make a sale on eBay. And that's one thing about being an entrepreneur. You need to persevere. And honestly, on the very day I decided to, close my store on eBay, I made a sale. Yes, I made a sale on eBay. I'm telling you. And the sale I made was $400. And I'm like, oh, wait a minute. What if I had closed this store yesterday? I wouldn't have been able to make this money today. Being an entrepreneur is not for the faint-hearted. I'm not saying this to scare you. I'm just saying this to prepare your mind. You need to believe in yourself. You need to work hard. You need to keep working. You need to keep believing. I tell you, on the very day I was about to close my eBay store, that's why I can never forget eBay. Like, I made that sale. I sold an item for $400 on eBay. And you know what? Go ahead and create your store on this website. Go to all of the websites that I've shared in today's video. Start to make your own money from the comfort of your home. And like I always say, as an entrepreneur, you need to develop great work ethic. You need to believe in yourself. You need to persevere. You need to hone in on your skills. Find something that you're really good at, that people know you for, that you can do with little or no preparation, that you can even do for free if need be, like singing. For example, there are lots of people that sing, and some people play keyboard, they play, instruments, music instruments, and they can do it all day without getting tired. You can actually start to teach all of these things, these skills online. There's no skill in today's world that is a wasted skill. I can assure you that. And I hope with these few points of mine, I have been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can start to make money from the comfort of your home. And yes, if you're new here, do not forget to introduce yourselves. I did not forget. Introduce yourselves in the comments. I really want to know you, and I really want to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? All of my returning subscribers, thank you. I appreciate you. God bless every single one of you. Real good. So guys, till I see you in my next video, make sure that you turn on the notification bell, join the family by subscribing, and also check out my previous videos. And of course, I'll see you in my next video. But till then, let me go and start making some money right away.